outlines. Way up there on the port side, he's Deadeye. Y'all clap for Deadeye, if you will. And across from Deadeye on the starboard side, we call him Nugget. And the Blue Nugget on the same starboard rigging, that's Fishtails. Now folks, I am the master and commander of this vessel. Around here I'm known as the Mud Shark. For boys and girls, the meanest pirate aboard the ship is the Galley Winch. Downstairs we call her Midnight Amanda, and she's in there somewhere. Now boys and girls, wherever you're at, I want y'all to stand up and march to the circle. I need all